In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio sound properly loud in Adobe Audition using a preset. By properly loud, I mean the audio will be loud enough to be used in professional voiceover, audiobook narration, podcasts, and content creation. I'll be using a custom preset that can make any raw or original recording sound professionally loud with just one click. Let's start with this raw recording on screen. I'll play a short part of it first.
Some people claim that all aerators are created equal. Well, we beg to differ. Ranch works.
As you can hear, the volume isn't very high. In fact, it is a little bit quieter than the standard level. That is okay as a raw recording, but not great for final usage. Now I'll open the effects rack, and from the preset list, I'll select Pro Loudness. I'll show you in a moment where you can download this preset for free. Once the preset is loaded, I'll play the same recording again. Sometimes I'll turn the preset off and on so you can clearly hear the difference. That way, you'll know exactly how much improvement this preset makes in terms of loudness and overall sound. You'll notice how the audio becomes more consistent, balanced, and full.
Some people claim that all aerators are created equal. Well, we beg to differ. Ranchworks Pasture aerators are engineered with forged ranch tech blades designed to penetrate deeper and aerate more effectively than any other aerator on the market, with a lifetime guarantee against breakage to back it up. Weight, cutting surface, and speed set us apart. Visit ranch.com to see why ranch aerators are cut above the rest.
So, you can already hear that the loudness has improved quite a bit after using the preset. Now, you might be thinking, okay, maybe it just made everything louder. Will this really work on another recording? Let's test that next. Here's another clip. I'll play it first, then apply the same Pro Loudness preset. Once again, you'll notice how the voice comes forward, sounds clearer, and feels more balanced overall.
William Hope and the Princess. Part 1. For England, yar. Here now, fair warning, by ways of a disclaimer. This book, well, it contains a bit of spicy language from time to time. But no such words in this here tale are meant to offend. It's just scholastic uses of language. The finest English language, of course, to accentuate the fun of human interaction and expression. Bit of fun in that. There you are, now you knows. Chapter 1. A Fine Morning. 6th of November, 1587. A blaze of vivid orange ripped through the darkness where the ocean swelled against the sky. It burned the linings of several purple clouds scattered randomly across the horizon. William Hope was fixed. The image was truly breathtaking. He allowed it to be so for a time.
You may wonder if you can get the same result just by using Normalize. But that's not true, let me show you why. Here's the same audio again, but this time I've turned off the preset. I'll apply only the Normalize effect, set to -3 dB. If you look at the waveform, you'll see that it hasn't changed much. And when you listen, the average loudness still feels low.
A blaze of vivid orange ripped through the darkness where the ocean swelled against the sky. It burned the linings of several purple clouds.
Now let's turn the preset back on. Notice how everything immediately sounds more consistent and natural.
A blaze of vivid orange ripped through the darkness where the ocean swelled against the sky. It burned the linings of several purple clouds scattered randomly across the horizon.
This is what I mean when I say the preset makes your audio properly loud. You can use it on any of your recordings and instantly get a stronger, cleaner sound. And once your audio is properly loud, you'll start to notice any hidden issues. Things like room reflections, background noise, or small clicks and breaths that were hard to hear before. By using this Pro Loudness preset, you can bring your recordings up to a proper listening level and get a clear idea of how your audio will sound in a real, loud playback environment. To get the preset, just go to the link in the description. Enter your name and email, submit the form, and I'll send you the download link along with installation instructions. You'll also be added to my Master Editor newsletter, where I share free tutorials and more useful audio tools. If you're working on improving your audio, loudness is the first step. After that, you'll want to balance your sound with compression and shape the tone using EQ so it's smoother and more pleasant to listen to. I cover all of that in another video where I show, step by step, how to make your voice sound better using Adobe Audition. Click on the card on your screen to watch that video next.